And welcome to another session of our course on risk management. In this module, we'll learn about industry knowledge base, influence diagrams, and risk identification interviews. Let's begin with the first concept. Industry knowledge base is another form of a checklist. This technique is used in the identify risk process. However, it comes with a disadvantage. This technique captures only that which has happened previously and can exclude project-specific risks. The next technique to identify risk is the use of an influence diagram. It's a visual representation of a project situation. It identifies the key areas to address, decision points, uncertainties, and objectives, and how they influence each other. When combined with sensitivity analysis or a Monte Carlo simulation, influence diagrams show causal relationships between risks. This technique can uncover risks that aren't readily apparent in verbal descriptions or through other techniques. The disadvantage is that it's not always easy to determine an appropriate structure for this technique. Another technique is conducting an interview. Risk identification interviews require the participation of all key stakeholders and should be conducted by an independent, skilled interviewer using a structured agenda in an environment of trust, openness, and confidentiality. Techniques such as risk breakdown structure, checklists, and prompt lists can serve as frameworks for risk interviews. One final note here, the disadvantage of using an interview is that it's a time-consuming process. In addition to the time to meet with all the stakeholders, the interview findings may require filtering because interviews generate non-risks, concerns, issues, worries, and more. In the next module, we'll learn about a few more techniques to identify risks. Until then, thank you for learning with us.